Good afternoon, everybody. We are very happy to have all of you here for the first volunteering orientation of our Sampurna Siksha leaders. You all are all our leaders. So we shall, without wasting much time, we shall take this orientation ahead. Vaidi, you are sharing screen.
Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. Individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean. Come, board the train of goodness with Sampurna Shiksha. Our wagons are education, skill development, career and jobs, scholarships, and volunteering. How can you be a part of this journey? 1. Be a volunteer for teaching, content making, social media, photography, project management. Your talent in our platform. 2. Be a mediator and help us connect with schools, villages, groups to create a difference and help them grow. 3. Be a skill facilitator. Your skill, our students. Let the learning begin. In learning, you teach, and in teaching, you learn. 4. Be a sponsor. A generous giving in a small way will mold lives and bring smiles to many. 5. Be a mentor and motivator. We kindle young talents to grow. Be a mentor and inspire them. We rise by lifting others. Holistic education for all.
So stay connected with us. Visit www.sampurnashiksha.in and follow us on social media. The best of wealth is education.
So now I shall take you through the orientation of the Sampurna Siksha leaders. Your journey of leadership begins here. So initially, we will take a small introduction about the program. We will give you the details, process, and the Q&A. I will be talking bilingual, Hindi और English दोनों में बात करूंगी ताकि आप सबको समझ में आए.
Also, सबकी mute options are disabled. We will unmute you when we are having the question and answer round. So after the entire presentation is over, you can हम आपको allow करेंगे to unmute and ask any questions. Till then, we request that you all can just watch this orientation. Thank you. Just go ahead.
Screen.
Screen is visible, no?
No, it is the same screen.
No, you have to explain, no? Point.
Go ahead.
You have to explain the points.
So that we will be taking through the introduction, the program, the process, and lastly we will have the question and answers. Go ahead, Vaidi. So now you are our Sampurna Siksha leaders. Sampurna Siksha is an initiative by Gyandan Foundation, a Section 8 company, mainly formed for educating the rural and tribal children. And we are partnering with Internshala. And we do most of our Shiksha on online platforms or virtual classrooms. Go ahead. So as you have seen in the video, our 5 core pillars are education, जहां हम educate करेंगे और उनको एडुकेट करने से करियर और जॉब्स भी देने के लिए हम ट्राई करते हैं, उनको जॉब मिलने की भी हम हेल्प करते हैं। उनकी स्किल डेवलपमेंट, वी आल्सो प्रमोट स्किल डेवलपमेंट मैचिंग टू योर स्किल्स एंड टैलेंट्स. All this we do with the help of volunteers and volunteering activities, and we also provide some scholarships to the needy children who are deserving, and financial assistance भी provide करने में हम मदद करते हैं. तो हमारा mission, our mission and vision are, our mission is to help and reach the rural and tribal areas. And how do we do this? We do this by teaching, educating and helping people. So how do you become Sampurna Shiksha leaders? What is the aim of our Sampurna Shiksha? There are various ways in which we do it. So first of all, we help you to become multitaskers. We help them to do multitasking, various tasks like fundraising, networking. Then in that process, आप सीख भी सकते हो. It is a learning experience. You learn various talents. You learn various ways in which you can do your things. You become leaders. You not only help to do documentation, data analysis, everything, research, everything is there included in this. And by this, doing all this, you also make a small difference. And how this ये difference आप बनेंगे, आपका योगदान इसके लिए बहुत बड़ी होगी. Small difference है, मगर वो बड़ा योगदान के लिए आपका एक छोटा सा एक contribution होगा. तो इसमें हमारी वर्क एरियाज क्या है, क्या क्या काम करना है हमको बहुत सारे काम करने हैं इसमें. वो फंड रेजिंग इज आवर मेन टास्क. आवर मेन एरिया, कोर एरिया जो है वो फंड रेजिंग है. फंड रेजिंग करने से हम सपोर्ट करते हैं रूरल, ट्राइबल और अंडर प्रिविलेज बच्चों के लिए. मगर इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे आपको. टास्क बाय टास्क, स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम आपको बताएंगे कि आपको कैसा करना है. सब areas or work areas, we will be giving you a hand holding and taking you through this particular program so that you go through the entire program very easily. You will be able to, you do it very fast and also very quickly, and in the process you will also learn. So there is networking. In networking, we help you to find out the areas in which you can network and connect these areas also so that it will make a difference. Then we have content making, and then you have also, you can do through social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, which are all trendy. वो सब है ना आजकल. तो वो सब भी कैसा यूज करना है, कैसा करना है आपको, ये सब भी हम आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप सब सिखाएंगे. एंड ये सब करने से आपको एक अवेयरनेस भी हो जाएगा. आप अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड कर सकते हो संपूर्ण शिक्षा के बारे में, हमारे काम के बारे में. आप कैसे वो how you spread the word and raise the funds and also make the people happy, and in the process आप भी खुश होंगे और दूसरों को भी आप खुश रख सकोगे. तो ये सब काम आप कैसा करना है, ये आपको काफी सारे एरियाज में आपको दिखाई देगा. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, ये फंड रेजिंग हमने बताया कि हमारा पहला एक कोर एरिया है जो करना है. तो उसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम क्राउड फंडिंग करते हैं. क्राउड फंडिंग क्या होता है, जब क्राउड में से एक फंडिंग होता है. जैसे हमारे जो बहुत सारे पोर्टल्स है, किटो है, मिलाप है, इम्पैक्ट गुरु है. आप सब तो ये नाम सब सुना होगा कि थोड़े थोड़े पैसे इकट्ठे करके वो बड़ा पैसा बन जाता है और एक बड़ा काम के लिए, एक बड़ा सपोर्ट के लिए वो यूज हो जाता है. एंड दिस कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर बिग एक्टिविटीज. सो हम वैसे ही हमारा फंड रेजिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है मिलाप. सो विद ए मिलाप के थ्रू हम आपका फंड रेजिंग करवाएंगे. तो ये कैसे करते हैं, ये मिलाप का हमारा फंड रेजिंग का पेज है. यहाँ आप जाके देखोगे तो हमारा सब डिटेल्स, जैसे हम क्या क्या काम करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं, कैसे रूरल बच्चों के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं, उनको किस तरह के मदद करते हैं, वो सब लिखा हुआ आपको यहाँ मिलेगा. आपको इस पे आपको एक सपोर्ट फंड रेजर क्रिएट करना है. ये यहाँ पे आप जब स्क्रॉल करोगे तब आपको ये लिंक मिलेगा, क्रिएट अ सपोर्ट फंड रेजर. उसमें क्लिक करके आपको सपोर्ट फंड रेजर रेज करना है. हाँ, और ये इसके बारे में हम एक डिटेल वीडियो भी आपको भेज देंगे जिसके सहायता से आप यू कैन स्टार्ट ए न्यू फंड रेजर. सो यू बिकम a support fundraiser and you can write your name there and you can start creating your funds. You can share the link of your support fundraiser. ये क्यों चाहिए, because support fundraiser जब हम create करते हैं तो सबको मालूम पड़ जाता है कि आपके फंड उसी तरह से उसके थ्रू से ही हमको आ जाता है. तो इसका मिनिमम टारगेट होएगा आपका 3,000 rupees. Your minimum target will be 3,000 rupees. And योर मैक्सिमम कैन बी योर चॉइस। आप जितने हमको ज्यादा फंड्स दोगे कलेक्ट करके कि हमको यूज करना है, उतना ही अच्छा होगा। और आपको ये बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, and I'm sure that you all will be able to raise this much of funds, and even more than that actually, because our process by which we take you through this program is very easy and very understandable also. You can set your daily targets. आप अपना daily targets जो है even 100 रुपया होगा तो बस हो गया ना 30 दिन में, because you all are working for at least minimum of 1 month with us. So any amount can be contributed. And then how will we use these areas? We are using these funds, all what we are collecting from everybody. How we'll use these funds? We'll use it for our focus areas. That is, we are going to set up community learning and education centers. And with these education centers in the rural areas, जहाँ जगह ही नहीं है, वो सेंटर हम क्रिएट करेंगे, वर्चुअल क्लासरूम क्रिएट करेंगे, ऑनलाइन बेसिक एजुकेशन के लिए जो भी चाहिए वो हम वहाँ कनेक्ट करेंगे, और हम उसे बेसिक एजुकेशन भी देंगे और स्किल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम भी देंगे। स्किल कैसा? स्किल टू मैच योर टैलेंट्स एंड स्किल टू विच विल गिव यू मोर एम्प्लॉयमेंट, विच विल गिव यू सम सस्टेनेबल एम्प्लॉयमेंट। नॉट ओनली दैट, बच्चों के लिए टॉय लाइब्रेरी सेटअप करेंगे, बुक्स एंड स्टेशनरीज देंगे, डिजिटल लर्निंग सेंटर्स भी हम सेटअप करेंगे, मैथ्स और साइंस लैबोरेटरीज जो एकदम गांव में सब ये सब मिलता ही नहीं, तो हमारे अर्बन एरिया में जो भी हमारे स्कूल्स में मिलते हैं वो हम provide करेंगे. Try and provide all these facilities and take it to the rural and tribal people and the underprivileged sections of the society. And this is how we are going to set up community learning centers. उसमें क्या क्या जरूरत पड़ती है community learning centers के लिए? हमको एक लैपटॉप, स्मार्ट टीवी, वेबकैम, वाईफाई सेटअप, ये सब चीजों की हमको रिक्वायरमेंट है. एंड इट विल बी रिक्वायर्ड, वाईफाई एंड ऑल विल बी रिक्वायर्ड ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. वो नहीं तो हम ई शिक्षा किट है, हमारी संपूर्ण शिक्षा की ई शिक्षा किट भी हम पहुंचा सकेंगे. और ये सब हम क्यों? बिकॉज मोस्टली ऑल आवर एजुकेशन इज ऑन अ वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म. और यू कैन ये भी कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं संपूर्ण शिक्षा किट्स की जगह. लाइक यू कैन contribute for the books or stationery, art supplies, all these educational kits also you can support. So what are your core area is fundraising, but we can do it through various ways. Like you can do it by supporting, by setting up that fundraiser in that Milap, or by even through your WhatsApp group. And suppose some people want to donate in kind, what do? You approach us, we will definitely help them to support in kind and reach it out to the place where they want to reach it. Or if they don't have any target audience by which where they have to reach, we will help them to find out rural areas or where in schools or in community centers which are required, and we will try to reach it to them. You can also take cash donations, and you can come up with creative ideas also, like for example charity shows or something like that, through which you can collect money for the purpose of fundraising. And you can use your influencers, digital media, जो आज बहुत trendy है, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. इसमें भी आप रील्स बना के, कंटेंट बना के आप fundraising कर सकते हो. हमारी दूसरी एरिया है नेटवर्किंग. तो हम नेटवर्किंग कैसे करेंगे? नेटवर्किंग आपको सपोर्ट फंडरेजर है. सपोर्ट फंडरेजर से आपको नेटवर्किंग मिल जाता है. बाकी हमारे फैमिलीज, योर क्लोज फ्रेंड्स एंड योर रिलेटिव्स. देन यू गो टू योर फ्रेंड्स, योर स्कूल फ्रेंड्स, योर वर्क प्लेस फ्रेंड्स, दे आर ऑल्सो देयर. देन यू हैव योर सोसाइटी, योर ऑफिस, योर जिम ग्रुप, योर म्यूजिक ग्रुप. ऑल दैट ऑल्सो विल हेल्प यू टू कनेक्ट to get these funds. And then your collaborators, like for example, suppose you know people from Lions Club or the club in your area where you are staying, then you can even approach them and try to promote this, what are the Sampurna Shiksha, what we are doing, and how you can extend this collaboration. And then you have the social media platforms, as I have already told you earlier. So you have various tasks that you have to do, and these tasks, it is not that you have to do only fundraising or only networking. There are various tasks that we are having, and you have to do not one task, you have to do all the tasks. ये task क्या होता है? जो आपको करना है, वो task का जो भी step by step आपको करना है, हम आपको बताएंगे. हम आपको, we will be putting 1 or 2 tasks every day, or we at intermittent regular intervals में हम आपको tasks बेचते जाएंगे और उस टास्क को आपको कंप्लीट करना हो। तो उसमें ये फॉर एग्जांपल वो होगा फंड रेजर करना, या पोस्टर वीडियो मेकिंग करने का, या सोशल मीडिया में डालने का, या रिसर्च करने का। फॉर एग्जांपल रिसर्च हम लोग आपके एरिया में जो स्कूल्स है, कॉलेजेस है, या रूरल एरिया है, वहां जाके आप रिसर्च कर सकते हो। इसमें आपकी बहुत लर्निंग एक्टिविटीज भी होगी, क्योंकि आपको एक जैसे आप बोलते हैं जैसे एमबीए में सब सिखाते हैं ना कैसा सीएसआर करना है, वैसे हम आपको सिखाएंगे रिसर्च कैसा करना है, डेटा कैसा कलेक्ट करना है। ये स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम आपको फ्लो चार्ट देंगे, उसके हिसाब से जब आप करेंगे तो आपको सब all these tasks, all this work will become very easy, and you will be able to take ahead all these tasks in a very simple and easy manner. So these are all the important links. I now ask Vaidehi to take this session forward and explain to you all the details. Over to you, Vaidehi.
Thank you. Is my voice audible?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So as Pushpa ma'am ने आपको बताया कि we will be giving you everything hand holding, हम आपको सब कुछ ready करके देंगे, आपको बस instructions follow करने हैं so that हम सब एक ही पेज पे काम करें, एक ही तरीके से काम करें, and we can assess the performance also. And our experience with Internshala is कि अलग अलग जगह से अलग अलग टाइप के लोग आते हैं, यंगस्टर्स हमसे जुड़ते हैं, तो जरूरी नहीं है कि सबको सब कुछ आता हो। तो हमारी तरफ से आपको लर्निंग्स भी मिलेगी, हम ट्यूटोरियल्स भी प्रोवाइड करेंगे इन केस यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग और यू डोंट नो हाउ टू डू दैट, वी विल give you that confidence that you can do it, or we'll give you tutorials that how you can do it. So for this entire campaign, we'll be using this link of Linktree, which I'll just explain you over here. Can everybody see the link? So this link will be posted to you. Okay, I will speak in English also. Linktree link is visible, right, Pushpa or Lata? Because I cannot see when I'm sharing this.
No.
No? Okay, one
No.
now?
Yes.
Okay. This Linktree link will be shared. It will be there in the WhatsApp group. So once you get this link, all the links whichever you want, आपको जो भी links चाहिए वो सारी आपको इधर मिलेगी. Okay. Let me come from the down. All the social media links are attached here. संपूर्ण शिक्षा की जितने भी social media pages हैं वो यहाँ पे सारे attached है. तो आप अगर if you click on Facebook, it automatically opens the Facebook page. If you click on YouTube, it automatically opens the YouTube page. So that it is easier for you to share. आपको किसी और को देना भी है तो आप दे सकते हो, आपको खुद को देखना भी है तो आप देख सकते हो. Okay. So the LinkedIn link goes here. WhatsApp, if you want to do WhatsApp, send a message to her. If you want to send a mail, automatically it goes from here. Okay, so all these links are visible here. This is the Instagram page. This is our YouTube channel. This is the LinkedIn profile. Okay, so this is like a handy tool for you. So आप सब लोग के लिए एक handy tool है जो आप इसको use कर सकते हो. Then we come up. सबसे पहला, the first link here is Mila fundraiser. So this is our main fundraiser. यहाँ पे we want you to donate. So we want you to convince your donors to donate. So rather than donating on the main fundraiser, you will be creating a support fundraiser. If you go here, you will get an option to create a support fundraiser. You could just write your name and some number combinations if you want, and then
Vaidehi, your voice is breaking.
okay. Now it's okay.
हाँ.
ओके, सो आप वहां पे जाके सपोर्ट फंडरेजर क्रिएट करेंगे, सबमिट करेंगे, मिलाप पे एक फोन नंबर डाल के ओटीपी डाल के यू विल गेट अ रेफरल लिंक ऑफ योर्स. सो एट द बैक एंड फ्रॉम एज पार्ट ऑफ टीम संपूर्ण शिक्षा वी कैन सी हाउ मेनी पीपल हैव रेज्ड हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. यू कैन सी हियर. सो एज ऑफ नाउ देयर इज वन कैंपेन बाय अनुजा. So this is the same campaign. She has made a limit of 30,000. Anuja is the referral code. But whatever money gets deposited in Anuja automatically gets upgraded in our main campaign. So ये होता है support fundraiser, जिससे हमें पता पड़ सकता है कि कितने लोगों ने fundraise के लिए हमारे support fundraising campaign डाले और कितने amount के funds हमारे लिए raise किए. So tracking बहुत easy हो जाती है. And यहाँ पे सारे options of payments are available, including Bheem UPI, Google Pay, Paytm, PhonePe, Amazon Pay. bank deposit. So everything is available. So that is why this platform is very convenient to raise funds. Okay. So whatever funds you raise, यहाँ पे amount बढ़ता जाएगा और आपका भी fundraiser में वो amount reflect होगा. If there is any problem you feel that किसी ने directly जाके donate कर दिया, you can share the screenshot on mail and we will make sure that it goes in your link, or we will calculate that in your contribution. Okay. Once this orientation session is over, एक बार ये session खत्म होने के बाद आपको decide करना है कि you want to continue with us as a संपूर्ण शिक्षा leaders. It is absolutely your choice. आप हमारा एक entry form भरेंगे जिससे वो confirm हो जाता है. We will not be taking any interviews or telephonics or video call. It is your decision that you want to join this program or not. We feel everybody can do it. How much ever educated or not, how much ever talented or not. So you have to just go and fill this entry form. The link will be shared in the group. Once you fill this entry form, your selection is done. So that is from our end. Okay. And then recorded orientation session will be made available so that if you want to see again, you can see. Then comes the volunteer task manual. जैसे पुष्पा मैम ने बोला कि जो tasks क्या करनी है आपको, वो हम आपको एक task manual पूरा लिख के देंगे. Also, these task sheets will be updated in WhatsApp group on every 2-3 days. So approximately we have around 15 tasks for you during this 1 month of program. Okay. So just let me take you through this task manual. So ये Linktree का link हमने इधर भी डाला है. Branding kit, accounts आपको कौन से tag करना है, which hashtags you have to use, and the content. Okay, so all these tasks, the index will be made available here, and how much time will it take, that is also will be made available so that you can plan it accordingly. Okay, so for example, your first task would be to go through all the social media links of Sampoorna Shiksha. So you can just go through on this LinkedIn Linktree link. यहाँ से click करके you can just visit our pages, go and study and refer and give us some suggestions or get acquainted with Sampoorna Shiksha. आप जिसके लिए काम कर रहे हो, आप जिस टीम का पार्ट हो, आपको उसके बारे में पूरी जानकारी होनी चाहिए. So that is why हमने first task रखा है that you have to just go and get acquainted with the social media handles of Sampoorna Shiksha. Then comes the second task, which is to create a sub fundraising and start a fundraiser. So all the details we will be mentioning here. हमने tutorial का link भी डाल दिया. So like this, we will be updating the task manual for you after every 2-3 days, so that you can go and visit this task manual and do the task. हम ये भी अपडेट करेंगे हम, और ये हम सेम चीजें व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी कॉपी पेस्ट करेंगे, तो आप वहां से भी कर सकते हो. ओके, सो ये आपके लिए एक मैनुअल हो जाएगा रेफर करने के लिए. अगर आप कोई टास्क भूल भी गए हो तो यहाँ पे अपडेटेड रहेगा, व्हाट्सएप मैसेज मिले नहीं मिले, आप यहाँ से भी अपने टास्क कर सकते हो. ओके, अच्छा, टास्क करने के बाद आपको हर एक टास्क के बाद यू डोंट हैव टू स्पैम द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. whenever you are filling the entry form के बाद एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का लिंक है, या एंट्री फॉर्म के अंदर ही एक लिंक है, मैंने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में डाला है. इफ यू क्लिक दिस, you will be automatically joining the final interns group, और वो ग्रुप में आपका एडमिशन होने के बाद हम काम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. Probably from first we will start the task. We'll wait till 30th for everybody to join. There are more people who will be applying, and the Internshala portal is open till 30th. So we will decide together when we want to start the tasks. और जैसे आपने टास्क स्टार्ट किए, all the tasks you have to upload as the evidences. जैसे अगर फंडरेजर है तो फंडरेजर का लिंक डालना है, तो एंड वो हम टास्क में मेंशन करेंगे कि आपको ट्रैकर फॉर्म में क्या अपलोड करना है. लाइक यहाँ पे दिया है मैंने, सबमिट लिंक ऑफ योर फंडरेजर इन द ट्रैकर फॉर्म, क्लिक योर ट्रैकर फॉर्म. लिंक यहाँ पे भी दी रहेगी, और नहीं तो आप यहाँ से भी जाके ट्रैकर फॉर्म में जा सकते हो. So in this tracker form, you just have to fill the details, which task you're updating, just update the link here and submit it. Okay. So this is how you can submit your tasks. Why we are wanting you to submit your task is जब हम आपकी assessment करेंगे, हम ये task के submissions के database पे देखेंगे कि आपने कितने task submit किए हैं, how much task you have submitted. Okay. So you have to fill this tracker form after doing every task, whether a video is required to be made, a photo is required to be made, or a document is required. All these things will be uploading here rather than putting it on the WhatsApp group. And from here, it will be a tool of assessment for us, that how much tasks you have done, how you have done, all the performance हम यहाँ से देख सकते हैं. Then comes the branding kit. हम आपको कुछ टास्क देंगे जहाँ पे आपको कुछ पोस्टर्स बनाने हैं या वीडियोस बनाने हैं, तो यू कैन यूज द डेटा फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांडिंग किट फोल्डर. आई विल जस्ट शो यू. पूरा इंटर्नशिप होने के बाद आप यहाँ पे सर्टिफिकेशन फॉर्म फिल कर सकते हैं एंड this gives us a notification that you have completed this leadership volunteering, and once we verify the details, you will be getting the certificate after 7 working days. Okay, just let me show you the branding kit. So branding kit mein we have given you a logo. So whatever collaterals of contents you will be making, you will be using our Sampoorna Shiksha logo. We don't want you to take logos from Google and use. हमने आपको high resolution files इधर दिए हैं. You can use this so that it will be clear, visible. So there's a logo in white color, there's a logo in black color. Then newsletter is kept here so that आपको हमारी previous activities के बारे में जानना है, हमने क्या किया, तो हमने ये दोनों newsletter इसमें डाल के रखे हैं. Logo is mentioned. Lots of photos are put here. So these are real photos, not clicked by us during our various projects or campaigns. So you can use these photos to make posters, creative ideas, and we'll be updating these folders also. Okay. So ये photos भी आप लोग use कर सकते हो आपके campaigns में. So this is how we would want you to use this branding kit. Okay. तो आपको किधर भी ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है, वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड करने की जरूरत नहीं, हमने आपके लिए सब यहाँ पे अवेलेबल किया है. And if there are somebody जो foreign से contribute करना चाहते हैं, so anybody who wants to, जो out of India रहता है और अगर आपके friends हैं, family members हैं जो support करने चाहते हैं, तो they can go at this link and donate. Because on Milap you will not be able to pay in dollars, non-Indian currency से आप payment नहीं कर पाएंगे. So anywhere any of your donors want to give in foreign funding, वो यहाँ पे डाल सकते हैं. और project name में तुम्हारा नाम and Sampoorna Shiksha you will have to mention so that we know that this money has come from you. Okay, so this is the link for foreign funds contribution. Okay, so this is ये आपका you know star mark link होना चाहिए, सारी details इधर आपको available मिलेगी. So Linktree is the most important link that you will be required to use, and this will be bookmarked in the WhatsApp group description also and available on our Instagram के description में भी हम इसको update करेंगे. तो ये ऐसा दिखता है Linktree, just for your this thing. So how do we proceed this? What is your flow of work? हम कैसे करने वाले हैं? So once you have seen this orientation, you are interested to continue. आप सीधा entry form भरेंगे. You are at step number 3. Once you fill this entry form, we start with step number 4, that is task manual. As per the task, you'll be joining the WhatsApp group. You have to start doing the task and submit and upload the tracker form. And in the end, give your testimonial and submit the certification form and receive your certificate. So this is the timeline that हम follow करने वाले हैं. Okay. So entry form, do the work, track your work at regular intervals, and exit form for completion for certification. All the forms are Google form, easy to fill, कोई problem नहीं होगा आप लोग को. So some rules and regulations which I would want to tell you before you give your assent or whatever is your choice. All the information would be shared to you on the WhatsApp group. We will stop using the Internshala chat box. Once you have joined the WhatsApp group, हम सारी information आपको WhatsApp पे ही डालेंगे. So there are 2 groups you will be joining. एक जो आप लोग ने अभी शायद orientation के लिए join किया है, वो admin उससे आप निकल सकते हो, और दूसरा जो ग्रुप है वो हम ओपन फॉर और करेंगे once you have filled the final entry form. Okay, and task will be updated after. अगर कोई टास्क के लिए हम आपको 2 दिन दे रहे हैं तो हम 2 दिन के बाद ही तीसरा टास्क डालेंगे. So depending on the completion we are giving you, we'll be updating the tasks, whatever you want to do. And also it is okay if you're not able to do the task. All the tasks are mentioned in the task manual. You can take your own time. We take it as the standard key 2 days we will give you to do the task, but you can take your own time. Tasks are mentioned in the task manual as well. But as a group, we would want that if you could work together, it would be easier. We will be able to get a better response. Also, बार ग्रुप के एडमिन्स को कॉल करके या ग्रुप्स में स्पैम करके क्वेरीज मत पूछिए, बिकॉज important information हट जाती है ग्रुप से. So if you have really, we would try that our tasks instructions are so clear that you will hardly have doubts. In case you still have, you can still ask in the group, but wait for some at least some time for us to reply. We cannot be sitting on the WhatsApp full day for this campaign. Okay, so we will keep on for one time limit which would help us to work more efficiently. Also, try to help others if you know or if you can solve queries. Like आपने for example simple आपने fundraiser create कर लिया और दूसरे एक volunteer को problem हो रही है और उसने screenshot डाला group में कि मेरा ये fundraiser नहीं create हो पा रहा है. Simple, maybe he is using a space bar in his name, तो fundraiser नहीं create होता. So you can also help. It is good to help others and in that process आप भी सीखेंगे और आप भी एक leader बनेंगे. So अगर आपको भी कोई चीज आती है तो आप भी अपना knowledge share कर सकते हैं और उसमें दूसरे लोगों को help कर सकते हैं. Okay, so fill the final entry form after hiring. Maintain data and screenshots. So wherever we are telling that you have to upload it on a social media, either उसका link copy करके रखो या screenshot लेके रखो to upload it in the tracker form, so that it will be easier. And once you fill for your certification form, we request you to kindly wait for 7 days, a week minimum, so that we will verify your performance and then make your customized certificate and mail it to you. So it takes a little bit of time, so kindly wait for 7 days. And strict warning, kindly do not post irrelevant messages or forwards in the group. We are giving you a warning now only because it वो ग्रुप का एसेंस निकल जाता है उसमें गुड मॉर्निंग गुड नाइट हैप्पी बर्थडे. सो काइंडली अगर आप ऐसा करेंगे तो हम उसको एडमिन ओनली ग्रुप बना देंगे. सो देन यू विल बी एट आप फॉल्ट में रहेंगे उसमें फिर. ठीक है. सो वी वांट दैट ग्रुप कि वो जिस काम के लिए बनाया है उस काम के लिए वो यूज हो. ओके. एंड वी वांट all the group members to maintain each other's privacy. Do not disturb each other. Okay. Important notes. And also language is not important. Hindi bhi chalega, Gujarati bhi chalega, Bengali bhi chalega, English bhi chalega. For us the work is important. So जो भी हम task दे रहे हैं it is absolutely okay. जैसे हमने अगर बोला आपको blog लिखने को या research करने को, हमें कोई problem नहीं, आप उसको हिंदी में लिखेंगे. Okay. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको बहुत अच्छी English आनी चाहिए to do this leadership program with us. Your work should speak language, location, age, education. ये कोई भी criteria नहीं है. अभी मैं आती हूँ hashtags पे. Hashtags are important because wherever on social media you're using, these hashtags will help people to identify and locate. So हमने कुछ compulsory hashtags बनाए जो आपको हर post में use करने, and some optional hashtags we have given you. So compulsory hashtags are like Sampurna Shiksha, Internshala, Joy of Giving, Education, Volunteering. So these are the trending hashtags in the education field. It will help us to reach our post better. वो अपनी post को अच्छे reach करने में help करेगा. ओके. सो मिनिमम 5 हैशटैग्स ये आपको यूज करने हैं. ये हम हर टास्क में भी हम मेंशन करेंगे. ओके. तो आपको इस चीज से क्या मिलने वाला है? बहुत सारी चीजें मिलने वाली है ये प्रोग्राम से. सबसे पहली चीज जैसे पुष्पा मैम ने बताया, लर्निंग. we are there to guide you, we are there to help you, and you are going to learn, and even we are going to learn from you lot of new ideas from the youngsters. So learning is first thing that you receive. Experience, practical exposure tasks will be there. You will experience how social sector functions, and also what is the experience on ground when you go into networking. Will help you increase your network, which will be helpful to you. Not just अभी के लिए काम नहीं आएगा, ये नेटवर्क आपको बाद में भी काम आएगा. अपनी सर्कल को कैसे बढ़ाना है वो भी बहुत जरूरी है. ऑब्वियसली सर्टिफिकेट है इस कोर्स के साथ, तो आपकी सीवी पे अपडेट हो सकता है. यू विल बी रिक्वायर्ड टू अपडेट ऑन योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल. फीलिंग. सो हम आपको वो फीलिंग देंगे कि जॉय ऑफ गिविंग को एक्सपीरियंस कैसे करना है. हमारे पास 2-3 ऐसे टास्क है जहां आप खुद ग्राउंड पे जाके या तो पेंसिल्स डोनेट करोगे या कलर्स या क्रेयॉन्स. सो वी वांट यू टू फील दैट कितनी मजा आती है दूसरों के फेसेस पे स्माइल लाने पे. सो दैट फीलिंग वी वुड वांट यू टू एक्सपीरियंस. Also development, whatever task we are going to give you will improve your public speaking skills, your presentation skills, your writing skills, or whatever talents you have, maybe poem writing or doing a mandala or an art and craft. So it will going to enhance your personality and overall development. Also with all this, lot of memories. So we want you each one of you is important to us, and we want your support to make a difference. Small steps will definitely make a big difference. And जो smiles हम spread करेंगे, this 5 lakh is just a figure, but for me it is $1 million experience. So whatever funds we raise, we promise you that we'll be extremely transparent. हम मिलाप के fundraiser पे ही update करेंगे, तो donors को automatic mail जाते हैं. That is the beauty of raising funds of मिलाप. Let me just show you. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास ऑप्शन है. दिस इज द मेन पोर्टल. update. So whenever we raise funds, we'll be withdrawing money from here. हमने गांव में टीवी लगवाया, लाइब्रेरी बनाई, जो भी किया हम इधर जाके इसके फोटोज वीडियोस और अपडेट डालेंगे. एंड व्हेनेवर आई पोस्ट अ न्यू अपडेट, जितने भी डोनर्स ने पैसे दिए उनको ऑटोमेटिकली मेल जाता है. So there is complete transparency on our end that how we are going to use our funds. So donors trust is very important. Plus हम WhatsApp group पे भी डालेंगे, वहां से भी आप WhatsApp पे share कर सकते हो. Now we'll be taking you to FAQs, which will be taken by Lata ma'am. And then ये presentation खत्म होने के बाद open floor होगा. मैं सबको unmute करने का option दूंगी. And we'll be solving all your questions. Okay? Thank you.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Vaidehi. Abhi Vaidehi and Pushpa has given you a synopsis of the entire student leadership program of Sampurna Shiksha. So you people would have got a fair idea. But however, what we thought is we will collate all the questions and doubts that you might have. आपको जो questions होगा, doubts, we thought we will first solve it here. और इसके बाद अगर फिर भी आपको कुछ भी doubts है, still if you have any doubts, we'll throw open and you can ask your doubts. Where can we watch the orientation session? Orientation session हम कहाँ देख सकते हैं? Whatever we are having this orientation today, it will be recorded and we will upload it on our YouTube channel. And if you want to revisit it, आपको वापस देखना हो तो आपको YouTube में watch कर सकते हो. How do we know we are selected and will we receive an offer letter? हमको कैसा पता चलेगा हम select हो गए हैं कि हमको offer letter मिलेगा? आप लोग ये ओरिएंटेशन वॉच किया, देखा, अटेंड किया और एंट्री फॉर्म फिल किया, यू जॉइन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, योर स्टेटस इन इंटर्नशाला विल बी चेंज टू हायर्ड. सो ये वॉलंटरी एक्टिविटी है, तो यू विल नॉट रिसीव एनी ऑफर लेटर. आप जब अपना एंट्री फॉर्म फिल करोगे, इट इज टेकन एज यू आर सेलेक्टेड एंड यू आर इन टू आवर प्रोग्राम. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द टाइटल ऑफ दिस इंटर्नशिप? अभी ये इंटर्नशिप का टाइटल क्या है? संपूर्ण शिक्षा लीडर्स. लीडर्स मतलब क्या है? आपको ओवरऑल लीडर कैसा बनना है, आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप सब सिखाया जाएगा. सो एक बार आप लीडर बन गए, यू कैन अपडेट इट ऑन योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल आफ्टर यू गेट योर सर्टिफिकेट एंड यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर इंटर्नशिप. यू कैन ऑल्सो अपलोड दीज सर्टिफिकेट्स एंड ऑन योर CV once you have finished. हाउ डू वी नो वॉट वर्क वी हैव टू डू? इतना सब बता दिया, अभी हमको कैसा पता चलेगा हमको क्या काम करना चाहिए? उसके लिए जैसा पुष्पा ने बताया कि हमको एक टास्क मैनुअल दिया जाएगा. रेगुलर इंटरवल्स में वो टास्क मैनुअल हम लोग व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी अपलोड करेंगे और टास्क मैनुअल में भी लिखेंगे आपको क्या क्या डे 1, डे 2, डे 3 ऐसा जितना टास्क है, one by one we will give you and how long it will take, and accordingly you can do your task. See, our core fund areas are fundraising, networking, content making, social media, marketing. ये सब के बाद इन सब के थ्रू ही we will giving you your tasks. And suppose one person has joined today and they have started their task, and after 5 days some another set of group joins, they can start from task 1 and your task will continue to go on. How do we know what work we have to do? No, sorry. How much duration we have to do the work? हमारा कितना ड्यूरेशन तक एक काम करना चाहिए? We require minimum इतना सब सीखने के लिए we expect you that you will be with us for 1 month, and whatever work we have to done either through tasks will be done achieved through your fundraising. So fundraising is the beginning of this journey, but it is not the only part of this journey. You have all other part which we have already discussed. So you will be working in all the areas so that you have an overall development as leaders. Is fundraising compulsory? क्या fundraising compulsory? हाँ, everyone has to achieve a minimum of at least 3,000 per intern for fundraising. हम लोग ऐसे किया है कि आपको दिन में 100 रुपया एटलीस्ट फंड रेज करना पड़ेगा. सो अगर समझो आपको वो आपने बहुत मेहनत किया एंड यू हैव रियली वर्कड हार्ड टू गेट दैट फंड्स एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू अचीव दैट फंड, इट इज़ ओके, बट वी expect that you already in the tracker form, we expect that you at least have put your effort to do that fundraising and you could not do it. Then it is okay, you can carry on. And but we have to see that you do the other tasks also in the same way with in the same interest. And we also will see how much efforts you have taken to raise these funds and what experience. So actually it will be a learning experience for all. This is not अभी I don't think a fundraising है इसीलिए हमको बहुत मुश्किल है. Not at all. Just go for it and I'm sure you all will raise a minimum of more than 3,000. What if we are not able to raise funds of 3,000? Will we get a certificate? So fundraising core pillar है. And if you have put your efforts on this, and आपका जो task panel में हम लोग track करेंगे that 80% of your tasks are complete and you have really worked hard for it, we shall definitely give you a certificate. What if we finish the fundraising in just 4 or 5 days, and what work should we do for the rest of the days? हाँ, 3,000 if you feel it's a small amount, बहुत कम है, आपको जल्दी एक दिन में हो गया, आपका 4 to 5 days में हो जाता है. So you have to keep trying for more funds and see and help us to get more people, connect more people, and help us in preparing contents, in taking online sessions, in doing administrative works. So there are various tasks which you can help us with. And also remember that fundraising is not the only part. You have to have an overall development of yourself. So try to improve yourself and learn new things. This is a forum where it is a way where you can learn also more things. Even we can learn, you can also learn. What if we want to donate, distribute stationery in the area, village, city where I stay? Can we use these funds we have raised for the same? क्या मैंने जो भी फंड्स रेज किया है मैं मेरा एरिया विलेज सिटी में यूज डोनेट कर सकते हो? हाँ, डेफिनेटली यू कैन डू इट. बट since you have raised the funds, and if you know somebody in your area, village or city, you can raise the funds. But for that you will have to fill up a request form, and where we and also give us the details of either a sarpanch, or if it is school you give us a principal's name, or if it is a area you give the block development officer's name, something. So whereas we can contact them and do a background check कि ये सब सही है, and based on that we can do the distribution. So you can mention your name, contact, beneficiary, everything to us in the tracker form, and in the request form, and we can take it there. When can we apply for the completion? हम completion कभी apply कर सकते हैं? When you have achieved your target of fundraising, or even if you have not achieved, you have tried for your level best, you have performed, आपने अपना majority of the task जो है उसने complete किया, at least 80% आपने complete किया, and 1 महीना, 1 month you have worked for us, then you can apply for the exit form. All these forms, whichever request form, tracker form, exit form, all the forms are there in the link tree, which Vaidehi had already explained you. Alone we can do so little, together we can, one minute. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. ऐसा है कि हम लोग साथ मिलके ही कर सकते हैं, और आप अकेले कुछ भी नहीं हासिल कर सकते हैं. neither we can do alone. So without you we cannot do anything. So साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना, we will go together, you become leaders, we will teach you how to become leaders, and we can we can teach many children, build the life of many people. So you are the most important and special to us. You are the champions. And what is the target for achieving this? So initially we have a target of 5 lakh. So this is just a trailer for you. So in this trailer, we are expecting that each of you leaders give us a target of 3,000. And our total target, we are also expecting to be 5 lakh, which we will be utilizing for all the purposes what we have mentioned before. And learnings are many to infinity. I'm sure you will experience a lot and you will enjoy a lot coming with us, and you can even continue with us. After this trailer session, we will have many more such programs for you. These are all the experiences of our previous projects where they said that some people, their feelings, what I never knew I could help someone sitting at the comfort of my home. मैं घर पे बैठ के इतना सबको मदद करूंगी ऐसा मैंने सोचा ही नहीं. Joy of giving, like how we say, if you go and give and see the smiles on those little faces, your experience will be matter more for us, and you also feel that what is the joy of giving, and your learnings will be, like how I said, many new things you can learn. This is our team, core team: myself, Lata Srinivasan, Vaidehi Pagaria, and Pushpa Subramani. And behind us is our mentor, Venkat Raman, who is recognized for having the Guinness Book of Records for the maximum amount, collecting the maximum amount of stationery in one day. So he is our mentor, our philosopher and guide, everything behind us. And for after all this, we always believe that the best of wealth is education. Education ऐसा चीज है जो हमारे साथ ही रहेगा जब तक हम हैं, हम दे सकते हैं, हम बांट सकते हैं, और कि कोई हमसे छीन नहीं सकता. Nobody can take that wealth away. So we feel that is the best wealth we can give. Thank you, everybody. Now, so you must have got a small glimpse of the project of Sampurna Shiksha Leaders. Now we will close this PPT and we will throw it open for the forum. If you all have any doubts, you can ask, we will solve it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes, so now I would like to invite Venkat sir to speak, and then we will open it for question and answers. Also, आप लोग अपने आप को unmute भी कर सकते हो after मैं permission देती हूँ. And then आप doubts, you can write doubts in the chat box also, we'll answer. Yes, Venkat sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Venkat here. I'm from Dubai, and Sampurna Diksha is one of my dream project which we had, and Lata, Pushpa and Vaidehi have really shouldered the responsibility of taking it forward. And all of you leaders have joined now to make it a bigger format. Like from a small thing, we are all growing, and every day we are growing and adding more people, serving more people, helping more people, which is there. The whole idea of education is that education has to go to everybody, and without participation of volunteers, it is very difficult. So the empathy is the first thing which we have to develop, is that why we are doing that. It gives us a lot of joy to do something by bringing a smile to the less privileged or the person who doesn't have. He is not lucky as we are. God has given us education, God has given us time, God has given us good family, good thing. It is not a question of poverty. Poverty is in the mind. Actually, we should first take out the poverty in the mind. We are all rich in giving. The first is knowledge. Knowledge is the easiest thing you can give, and wherein most of the tasks which has been listed down are on where we have distributing our knowledge, like whether it is making a blog, making a various thing, and creating awareness. Why we are creating awareness? It is not the aim is that we create awareness for the cause. What is the cause? The cause is that there are people who are not better off, so we are supporting them in some way or the other. And it is a small gestures which make a big difference. We are not asking for a big thing which is there. All this monetary which has been mentioned is that it is towards the goal. If you collect, let us say, 10,000 rupees, definitely can change a school. the life of the children of a school. Like we can think that a child requires whether it is stationery, whether it is books, whether it's this thing, it requires certain thing which is there. And why we all can afford to do from our pocket, but it is not the way. If the world has to be a better place, we all have to work toward changing the thought process in the world. So that is what is the aim of not only Sampurna Diksha, many people are working towards that. And when we all join hand in different way, definitely the world will become a different place. When we started off, it was just a thought. Now we are spread almost across India for various causes, various projects which are going on. And being in Dubai, I am able to cater to the rest of the world, wherein there are less privileged who are there, whether it is Somalia, whether it is Sudan, whether it is, I'm able to cater to that. For me, the Sampurna Diksha, what the achievement has been done, I feel is that it is the teamwork, and we all worked as a team. And Lata Pushpa Vaidya have really dedicated for the cause. And when you all come together, the cause, you have to think that in what way I can improve the lives of people. It is not that actually the 1 month I'm doing an intern. That should not be there. It should be a life-changing 1 month which you should have. That you should think, okay, wherever you go, you should feel that, okay, if I can help somebody, the first beautiful smile, everybody can smile very easily, that is free of cost, which is there. Help your family. It is whatever, wherever it is required, you help your near and dear. The next step is, yes, like you come to the forum because you are prepared to do something to the world. And I feel is that like it is a step which you have taken. I congratulate all of you that you have taken the first step towards your own life journey, which you want to work on. So you have to make your path. The road has been put by Lata, Pushpa and Vaidhi, and we have to really tread, and we can improve the road, improve everything, and we can definitely do much better. Yeah, so I feel is that like we all have to literally change our whole thought process which is there. Money is important, but empathy is the most important thing. So we have to work towards empathy. What is empathy? Is that it is not sympathy. It is that we are better off, and it is not, we are not sympathizing. We want to uplift them and bring it to our level. So that is the goal which is there. So that is the reason we all have to work together, and as a team we can perform. Wherever you all require my input, I am always available. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so now I am giving the option to unmute. So one by one, anybody who is having doubts can unmute and speak. Also, I will answer to the doubts in the chat box. Gauri has asked, can we do another internship or internshala while volunteering here? Definitely, Gauri, no problem. We just want you to be committed both ways. It is not that, the other organization also, to us also, no problem. If you feel you can manage, and we have no issues, And anyway, as I said before, that hamare tasks will not take maximum 1 hour a day, maximum, which I'm telling. Some tasks are just 10 minutes. So you can easily manage more than one internships also. So we have no problem. There was one more question. Am I fundraising or social media marketing? What is my main role as volunteering? For the team of Sampurna Shiksha, your main role is doing everything, because everything needs to be experienced. We want you to learn everything. And these are very basics. We are not telling you to do it at a very advanced level. So it is at a basic state. So everything is important for you to do and experience. What results you get, that is immaterial. We want to see your efforts. Will a certificate call us as an intern or a volunteer? It would be as a volunteer. Ani Jain's question is, all tasks will be offline or online? So all the tasks will be online. We will just have 1 or 2 tasks which will be offline, which are very special to us. That is, we want you to experience the joy of giving. So maybe you will be requiring to go to a village or a area where there are less privileged children and go and teach them something or distribute them pencils. So some simple offline tasks which you can easily do it in the COVID times or the post-COVID times. There'll be less risk involved, and some research we will like to do it on your area about what NGOs are doing, what government is doing. Can you share the link tree in the chat box? Yes, I will. What role will be there in our certificate? We will write it as a Sampurna Siksha leader working for fundraising, networking, content, and social media marketing. How to collaborate with your organization with road track clubs? Aditi, nice question, Aditi. So we will give you a detailed mailer. We will send you a draft mail, or if you can send the email details or phone number of the road track club or Rotary club's president or whosoever is taking the initiative, we can have a meeting with them and we can start doing activities. Also, you could invite the Rotary or road track club members to be a part of this Sampurna Siksha leaders, so they can offline also become a volunteer with us. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ इंटर्नशाला पे जाके ही वो ये कर सकते हैं. This opportunity is open for all. It is open for all from anywhere. Anybody can join. Sapna's question is, will it be problematic if I'm not using social media except WhatsApp, Telegram, and LinkedIn? Sapna, no, because we want to give the freedom to you. It is not compulsory to use Instagram. I have known that there are many people who don't use or who don't like to use. So that is absolutely okay. So please be sure कि आप कोई एक social media channel use करें. अगर LinkedIn है तो भी कोई problem नहीं. It is good to get in touch with professionals and do work from the social sector field. So that is absolutely okay, no problem. Where do we get the form, Anupriya? So we will share the link tree form and also the entry form here in the chat box and in the WhatsApp group. Also in the Internshala chat, तो आपको entry form का link सब जगह मिल जाएगा. You can go ahead and fill it and you can just join our final WhatsApp group. More questions, ma'am. Internshala is still showing the status as in touch instead of hired. So Anukansha, hired तभी होगा जब आप हमारा final entry form भरेंगे and within 7 days we will change the status to hired. So that will take some time. और अभी तक हमने आपको form का link नहीं दिया, उसके लिए you are shortlisted. The question of Rakshit, what if we fail to complete 1 or 2 tasks? See, fail to complete is a different thing कि आपने try नहीं किया, और हम time limit नहीं देने वाले हैं. Time limit देंगे so that we all are on a one page, but that is absolutely okay. आप थोड़ा आगे पीछे हैं तो we have seen people जहाँ हमारा 1 month का internship होता है, उनके family में कुछ problem है, exams है, तो उन्होंने 2 months लगाया है उसके लिए, तो कोई problem नहीं है. आप अपना tracker form 2 months तक upload करो और अपना certification form 2 months के बाद भरो. So that is not a problem. And for giving a certificate, we expect you to do it at least 75 to 80% of the tasks. At least try to do it. Any other doubts? Can we fill the joining form from now? Faizan Zahir, yes, we will just be sharing the links. I have to leave meeting. Akshi will share the link tree link just right now. Or any other questions before I just put the link? You want to ask your suggestions, your ideas? Should I do offline task in the starting? Ani, टास्क हम एक साथ करेंगे बिकॉज सारी टीम एक साथ ज्वाइन करेगी, तो हमने डिसाइड किया है कि कौन सा टास्क पहले आएगा बाद में आएगा. एक बार टास्क मिल जाए वो आपके ऊपर है, आप कब कर रहे हो कब नहीं कर रहे हो, बट हम चाहते हैं कि आप सबके साथ करो तो मजा आएगा, हमें जज करने में भी अच्छा लगेगा. ऑल्सो वी विल बी हैविंग अवार्ड्स फॉर द बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग वॉलंटियर्स, वॉलंटियर्स ऑफ द वीक, वॉलंटियर्स ऑफ द मंथ. तो सब साथ में करेंगे तो हमें भी जज करने को अच्छा होगा कि who is performing good. So we will have some surprises for you all also for your hard work, dedication. Anu, no, Sapna. We will have to update our tracker form after every task. Yes, yes, because we don't want you to spam the WhatsApp group ki ma'am maine kar liya, I have done. No, jo bhi hai tracker form mein update karo. Ma'am, I would like to do more of physical work than the online fundraising. Will that be okay? अनुभव मिश्रा, वैसे भी हमारा ऑनलाइन का काम बहुत कम है, आपको वो तो करना ही है. एंड whatever the other things are there, you can definitely explore the physical aspect. No problem, no problem. We'll be more than happy if you are engaged in finding out a community near where are you staying, and maybe we can start a Sampurna Siksha center there. Is it compulsory for everyone to do offline task? No, because we don't know how the COVID situation is there, which area you are staying. It can be assessed on case-to-case basis, but hardly there are 1 or 2 offline tasks, which will not take much of your time, So don't worry about that also. And also we will give you options for the task. ये नहीं तो ये कर सकते हो, ये नहीं तो ये कर सकते हो when it is an offline one. So don't worry on that. Okay, any other doubts? I will just put the Linktree link and the entry form link. Also, if you have more friends who want to join, you can share them this orientation and they can fill the entry form if they wish to do this. They can also join without being a part of the Internshala, without having login there and fill in the form. So even we are open for this. So no problem at all. Just tell them to watch the orientation and then when they are very much sure, then they fill the entry form. We don't want to waste their time and our time. Okay. Thank you all for taking out time and attending this orientation. We are truly obliged to have such dedicated people from day one itself. So three cheers and claps for
Yes.
each one of us. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very,
Thank you very
much.
much. Welcome
And all the
of
best.
you.
All the best to all of us.
Okay. We will just wait, ma'am, who should be task completed within the time limit. Mohammed, no, we give a time limit as a standard so that we all can assess it together. But it is absolutely okay. आपको कुछ problem है, आप नहीं कर पाए, connectivity issues कुछ भी है, आप उसको बाद में करिए, but करना जरूरी है. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you, Devas. Where will we get the hired WhatsApp link? Siva, when you fill the entry form, the last question is to join the WhatsApp group. The link is mentioned there. So you can join the WhatsApp group from there. Will the task manual be shared after filling the entry form? Yes, it is also there in the link tree, but we would want that we will all start the task from 1st October because Internshala hiring is open till 30th. So we will wait and we all, do it together. Shreyas, is it okay if I do all other tasks other than fundraising? So Shreyas, it is not that you can skip, you have to do it. You have to try it. No problem, Rupa. आपको ट्राई करना है, आपके एफर्ट्स देखेंगे हम, आपने कितने पैसे कलेक्ट किए वो हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. वी वांट यू टू लर्न कि फंड रेजिंग कैसे कर सकते हो. कल उठ के आप कोई सोशल कॉज के लिए काम करना चाहते हो या आपके एरिया में कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो क्या आप में उतनी कैपेबिलिटीज हैं कि आप एक क्राउड फंडिंग पे जाके फंड रेजर क्रिएट करके अमाउंट फंड्स कलेक्ट करके एक डिफरेंस कर सकते हो. वी वांट यू टू लर्न दैट. यस,
Every task is important. All tasks are to be tried
Ani,
to your level best.
when we should start our task. We'll put all that on the WhatsApp group. अभी के लिए आप सिर्फ WhatsApp group join करिए और अगर task करना ही है तो read and study about संपूर्ण शिक्षा और हमें suggestions दीजिए. So maybe all that I can tell you till 1st of October when we start. So
That is the first task.
and any which ways that is the first.
First task.
So go through the Sampurna Shiksha social media handles, websites, our newsletters, branding kit में से पढ़ो हमारे बारे में और हमें कुछ आइडियाज और सजेशंस या अपना रिसर्च करके रखो. आप कोई कंपनी में भी ज्वाइन करते हो जॉब के लिए तो आप पहले पढ़ते हो ना वो कंपनी के बारे में. So that is what we want you to do it. Okay, then I can officially end this meeting. I feel.
Yes, thank you very much.
If we
Thank
have
you.
और किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो बता देना.
I'll stop the recording.